Hi, I'm Albert Marin, personal recruiter with 10 Positions, Eden Hospitality. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our hospitality team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for a server position. Some of the responsibilities would include reporting to all assignments on time and in uniform, setup and breakdown of bars and events, working assignments that would include conference services, receptions, buffets, banquets, and outdoor events. If you have excellent communication skills, 2 years of related experience, a high level of professionalism with dealing with clients, guests, and coworkers, you can be a great fit for this role.
We're aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opportunity won't last long. Apply soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you.